Hello everyone, this is the second part of the video tutorial how to crochet a cardigan. In the video, I'll show you how to continue working increase rows, join back and front parts together, and finish up the top. Complete details about the project are available at interunit.com/crochetcardiganvest. On this webpage you may share pictures of your work and ask questions if any. Row 5 works similar to the row 3. Insert the hook into the fourth chain from your hook, but work 2 double crochets into one chain to increase one chain. And then chain 1, skip 1, work unfinished double crochet. Then under third double crochet, work unfinished triple crochet, and then pull the yarn through all 3 loops on your hook. Again, work 3 regular double crochets, and then work as a mirror reflection. Under the same front post, work unfinished triple crochet, and then unfinished double crochet, and then draw the yarn through all loops on your hook. Chain 1, skip 1, work now 4 double crochets, and we stitch under chain. And then again work as a mirror reflection, work double crochet 4, and again chain 1, skip 1, work the pattern unfinished double crochet, then unfinished triple crochet under the middle front post, and so on. At the end of the row, work like here. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet 2 into one chain, and then double crochet 1. And work 1 returning chain. Again, insert the hook into the second chain from your hook and work single crochets above double crochets. At the end of the row 6, work 3 single crochets and 2 returning chains. Row 7. Insert the hook into the fourth chain from your hook and work double crochet 1, then 1 more double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, and again work the pattern. Now work the pattern again. So work unfinished double crochet, and then under the middle double crochet, under front post unfinished triple crochet, then finish it, 3 double crochets, and again unfinished triple crochet under the same front post, double crochet, and draw the yarn through all 3 loops on your hook. And then chain 1, skip 1, and work 1 V-stitch. Crochet row 7 like your row 5 or row 3, working more repeats between corners. So now I will do 3 repeats between corners. So again, chain 1, skip 1, and then work the repeat. And just continue working repeats between corners. At the end of the row 7, work 1 returning chain, and now repeat the pattern starting from the row 2, working more repeats between corners. And also work single crochet 3 instead of single crochet 2 at the beginning and end of the row. So single crochet 3, now work 2 repeats instead of 1. Work the corner totally the same, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet 1 above first double crochet of the V-stitch, and then V-stitch into V-stitch, and then again single crochet 1 above second double crochet of the V stitch, and so on. Continue working the increase rows until the back and front parts will be wide enough for the chest circumference. Row 9, work 2 double crochets, chain 1 and then repeat the pattern 2 times. To join the front and back parts, crochet to your corner, then after last repeat, chain 1, skip 1, work 2 double crochets, and to the V stitch, work unfinished triple crochet, and then again skip the whole shoulder piece and work again unfinished triple crochet into the following V stitch. And then draw the yarn through all 3 loops on your hook. Now work 2 double crochets, and continue working repeats to your next corner, and then again join the back and front parts together. When you crochet to your following corner, join again. And to the V stitch, work unfinished triple crochet, skip the shoulder piece again, unfinished triple crochet, and then draw the yarn through all 3 loops on your hook. And continue double crochet 2 and so on. After the row 8, you should have 10 repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now use a larger size crochet hook and work rows without increasing chains. Chain 1 and then single crochet 3, chain 1, skip 1, and again continue working single crochets above double crochets. Row 11. Begin as usual, work 2 double crochets and then work repeats to enter the row. After first 2 repeats, continue working chain 1, skip 1, and then again work the repeat, unfinished double crochet, and then work under triple crochets, unfinished triple crochet, and finish it. Then work regular 3 double crochets, and again unfinished triple crochet, and unfinished double crochet. And so on. Now just crochet alternating row 10 and 11. After you join the back and front parts together, work about 8 rows, and then to widen the garment, work 2 chains instead of 1 between repeats. To crochet. To crochet sleeve edges, attach the yarn under arm and then work 1 single crochet row. At the end of the single crochet row, work 1 returning chain, and now without turning, work reverse single crochet row. For that, insert the hook into the second chain from your hook, grab the yarn and pull it through, so you have 2 loops on your hook, and then draw the yarn through all 2 loops on your hook. And now just repeat again. Insert the hook into the following chain, grab the yarn and pull it through, and finish the single crochet. At the end of the second row, work 1 slip stitch, cut the yarn and secure it. Work the same 2 edge rows for the second sleeve and the body, sew on buttons. After that, the top is ready, and thank you for watching.